Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check your device OS and the keyboard app is up to date because emoji packs depend on system support. Once done, back up any custom shortcuts or themes so you can restore them if needed. Next, open Settings, then General Management or the keyboard app settings, and choose Input Methods. This puts you directly into keyboard management. Make sure you see the current keyboard listed, so you can move to the emoji update step immediately. Now update or install the emoji pack. Go to the App Store or Play Store and update your keyboard app, or download a compatible emoji pack or font. Once installed, return to Input Methods and enable the new keyboard or add-on. Some apps list emoji packs under themes or add-ons. After enabling, choose the keyboard as active input. If emojis do not render, force stop the keyboard app or restart the device, because the system may need to reinitialize the font cache for the new glyphs to appear. Finish by verifying the new emoji. Open a messaging app and insert a range of emoji to check appearance and skin tone modifiers. Make sure to test with recipients on other platforms, because cross-platform rendering can differ. This confirms compatibility. If you see placeholders or missing glyphs, clear the keyboard cache or uninstall and reinstall the keyboard app, which forces fresh font loading. One key troubleshooting tip: if updates still fail, roll back to the previous keyboard and restore your backed up shortcuts while you diagnose further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.